Hello students, so this is the help videos and sessions which will help you to understand the very minute layer by layer the steps for singing skills. So whenever it comes to singing, if we jump on very bigger steps, then it becomes difficult and we get into some ditch. So here these layers will make you understand one by one how to achieve the skills in singing. So let us start with first session of tuning your voice. When we say we have to train our voice, we have to first tune our voice. What is that tuning? You should have a keyboard or harmonium with you right now for that, and just start the sa, and on that sa listen the sa very carefully. Now this step first, listening the sa very carefully, is very important. You should not jump on the second step where you are starting singing with the note. Listening is the first step. Then with the humming noise, try to get tuned with that note. Repeat it for many times. When you hum, your voice or the sound, your ears can hear properly, and you can make out whether you are in a tune or not. So always start with the humming voice. Sa, sa, sa. With every one breath, you should spell sa till it gets exhaled properly. Such a way you should do it for 10 times. Sa, 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 sa. Then go for the next sur. Listen, that is the first step. Listen the sur properly till you understand, then sing with the humming voice. Check with ears, is it the correct one? And then say re, 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 do this activity for 10 times. With every breath, try to stretch the re. Then with the same way, now press the G. Listen, that is the first step, till you understand. The second step with the humming voice. Ga, ga, ga. Then do it for 10 times. Ga, ga, ga. Not like this, but with every one breath you have to spell ga till your breath gets over, and this way 10 times. So we have reached till the third step. Now press ma. Ma. Listen, hum, and then sing. with your voice. Ma, ma, ma. Now press sa as well as ma. Sa, ma. Do this jumping activity. Sa, ma. See whether your surs are correct. Now always press the sa as a parallel sur. प्रेस करते ही रहना है सा को. और नया सुर अगला हम लेंगे प. Listen the p. I have pressed sa as well as p. If you are getting confused, remove the hand over sa and only p. Now listen the sur. Hum with it. Pa, 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 pa. Every time check with your ears. Have you sung properly? Pa, pa. The next sur, dha. Listen the sur properly. Sing with the humming voice. That is dha. Now sing with the word dha. Dha, dha, dha. Do this activity for 10 times. Go for the next sur, that is ni. Listen, hum. Ni. This way, with every breath, say it for 10 times and then go for the sa. Sa, sa, sa. With this way, your first focus is on your voice, what we want, and only with the hand you are pressing the keys. That too, when you are pressed, just continue with pressing the same key. So your focus again will be totally not on any activity but on your throat. Your one focus should be on your breath. The second focus should be on your sur. So this way you can do this alankar practice with the tuning of your voice. Always remember, tuning is very, very important, not respect to the time. So however the time you will take, but tune your voice so properly. Wait till you get the right tone, right note, and then sing with the proper breath. All the best to the practice. Thank you.